Hello, my friends. I'm working on something for myself, and it's going to be a swipe, and then I'm going to paint a still life on here. So this is just a background, but I thought, oh man, I see cat hairs in there. I thought it would be good to record it for my own benefit, and maybe you will like it as well. Should be very dramatic. I'm trying to fish out these hairs now. Okay. Anyway, black and white, obviously. Floetrol. And then my swipe colors are gold and extreme sheen and antique bronze. I'm using what is this? Pale, light gold, antique bronze. So I think could be quite dramatic. This will be what I'm going to have is a bowl of grapes here, as if sitting on a table top. So this is the background. Will be like a draped fabric, and then the grapes will be here, and trailing down will be some like a stick that the grapes were growing on. Anyway, I'll show you when it's all done. It's hard to visualize right now, but so let's give it a go. I'm just going to do, so I applied the paint and then I tilted it to one side to try to get a fairly straight table line, but I can fudge that when I go to paint it later. I'll start over here for this one. What's that? Who knows? And maybe one more strip of gold. All right, my swipe pieces are palette paper. It's got a waxy side, and I've had some success with it before, so let's see how it works this time. I think I'll go into the black. I don't expect it to sell up a lot. Big cells, I hope it doesn't do. This is okay, just want it very subtle. That's just what I want. Stop growing, please. I think I can use this again. Some of this area will get covered up by the grapes, but this is exactly what I wanted, just a shimmer, and I don't mind that stripe in between. That's fine. I wonder if I have enough black. I might add a little bit of black there. Okay, one more. I'm going to try to keep my sleeve out of this. I'm dangerously close to dragging my shirt through that. There we go. Oh, I was holding my breath through that. Okay. Well, that's interesting in there. I don't have the big giant cells that I have there and there. I hope they don't get any bigger than that. I'm okay with that the way it is, but actually this is where the grapes will be located, be covering up part of that. So that's good. That's pretty much just what I wanted there. Now I'm going to use the same colors and swipe into the white. I'm going to turn this around because it will be more comfortable to pull towards me. I hope that's still in view for you. I didn't mark where it should be. Let me check. Yeah, pretty much. Okay. Same thing here. Maybe I'll do 2 gold on this side since I went with, did I do 2 gold? I think I did 2 of the bronze on the other one. Maybe oh, that makes me very nervous. Where do I have a paper cup. I'm going to pour some of this white into a paper cup so I can make a spout. There we go. And pour a thin white stripe across. Okay. And I think I'll do, no, I think I'll do this one this way. I don't want it matchy, matchy, matchy. So I'm going to go with a narrow, and I'll have to do it a few more times. Okay, that's fine. I like the palette paper because it's very, very light touch, but it does start curling up on you. So, oh, and you know what? I think I used the wrong side. I didn't use the shiny side. Let's see if it looks different here. Maybe I did. I don't know. I'm nervous. I'm getting wiggly here. Oh, look at that. Yeah, I cut off a little bit of it, and I used the wrong side on that first swipe, although it doesn't look different, but it goes much smoother with the waxy side. Maybe I'll turn it. Oops, I got a little bit of the black, but that's okay. Okay. one more little swipe. Oh, it's very dimensional looking, the white over that, the metallics. It's interesting. Okay, right-handed, folks. Okay. Woo. Okay, I think that's going to work just fine for my purposes. Now I will make a nice straight tabletop line. So this is like the tablecloth, and this is the background. I will, when it's dry, make a perfectly straight tabletop. Paint it's going to be a white or ivory colored bowl with green grapes, all different colors of green that will just be glowing up there, and then a little bit of stem or something hanging down there. And that'll be it. So let me bring you in. And it could stand alone as a swipe. It's rather pretty. Lovely shimmer there in the black. Yeah. I'm pleased. It's just what I wanted for my project. So hurry up and dry so I can do the next step. Thank you, my friends. See you next time.